Good day guys, you're welcome to the channel. So we can see here this is one of the accounts of the Trendfed AI robot user, and his 30 seconds with just $8,167. He has made over $1,600 in profit, guys. So guys, you can see here, this is a channel here. I did a video while the account was on 40%. This was it here. There's a video why the account was on 40%, and when the account got to 52%, I also did another video, and when the account got to over 90%, almost 100%, I did a video covering it. So guys, currently this user account is over 130%, and the amazing thing about the AI evolution is the ability to make consistent profit from the financial market without even placing any single trade. So these trades were taken by the AI. So as you can see, the consistency of the trend-deferred AI robots, I have covered this account severally to show the consistency of the trend-deferred AI robot. So guys, if you would like to get access to the trend-deferred AI robots, there's a contact details on the comment section and also on the description section. It will take you directly to the Telegram channel so that you can be seeing live results every single day. Let me go directly to the Telegram channel. So guys, you can see on the Telegram channel, these are different results from different AI robot users account. You can see for the day, this user made $171, and this user made over $283, and this user made $77. Now let's go back to here. This user made over $497. Now on this Telegram channel, you'll be seeing the sources of every trend-deferred AI robot user on their account performance. You'll be seeing it every single day. So guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's keep going, guys. If you also want to get access to the trend-deferred AI robots so you can witness the power of the AI revolution, I will put the contact details just directly on the screen here for you to have easy access to it and reach out, and your account will be connected to be able to make consistent profit from the financial market, guys. So guys, you can see here, this is a live trade of the trend-deferred AI robot, and currently you can see this is a trade running currently, and we are in profit just this morning on this user account. So there are so many users, and you can see what they are enjoying with the trend-deferred AI robot: consistent profit with high-tech risk management. So guys, if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also join the Telegram channel. So thank you guys for staying till the end of the video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out, guys.